What's up guys, my name is Tuhin, and this pandemic and lockdown has taught us that environment needs to breathe. Now it is due to industrialization and the pollution, a lot of things were happening in the world, but the lockdown happened and this pandemic happened, and during this time the earth was breathing, the environment was breathing, and that is what we're saying. Hashtag change what you can, and we're changing the way we drive through this amazing beauty. This is MG ZS EV, India's first electric internet SUV. So let's go spinning. Finally, I'm in this beautiful car, the MG ZS EV. This is the catalyst for change, the change what everybody is looking for by ensuring zero tailpipe emission, allowing my parts of earth breathe a little. And this pandemic has taught us that environment needs to breathe, and we need to take care of the environment, and we are taking care of the environment, and of course without any compromise in style, substance and performance, all packed in this one machine and powered by iSmart EV 2.0. It's time to take this beauty for a drive. I have with me Satya here, who is the sales head of MG Bengaluru. He's also the electric vehicle product specialist. Satya, I'm delighted to be in your car, man.
Hi Tuhin, of course you should be. The car being the first electric pure internet SUV in India, the largest electric SUV in India, the electric SUV which has the longest range as well. We have always had apprehensions about car not going further in an EV, and that was the biggest concern for all of us, but this car has changed the game, and I think you should drive it to feel it.
Hello MG.
Yes.
Close the sunroof.
So you see that?
It's cool, man, it's so cool. Let's go drive now. So tell me one thing, what are the different modes in this?
Okay, perfect Tuhin. So as you told, this car comes with an ultra high density 44.5 kilowatt hour battery, which is the NMC. NMC is the nickel manganese cobalt, one of the best compositions for an electric battery for a car. Produces 143 PS, as good as any high-end cars, and delivers about 353 Newton meters of torque. That's huge for an electric car in the country.
What is the age of the battery? How long does it last?
So battery lasts as long as the car is alive. So that's as good as that. And however, we give an 8-year warranty on the battery alone for about 150,000 kilometers. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. And whereas IC engines you might be seeing about 3 years, 2 years, and maximum going into 5 years at the best. That's about it. And when I'm talking about the power, it's delivered in a much organized or a split way. You have normal mode. I can show you. You can see these 3 buttons. You have 3 modes. You have the eco mode, that is the economic mode, where it consumes lesser energy and increases the range. Second, you have the normal mode. It moderately consumes your battery charge. Gives you a little more amp in the power, the way it's delivered to the wheels. You get about 15% lesser range. You have the sports mode, a fabulous mode, I would say. Everyone should try it, and only then they'll believe what the car is.
I still haven't tried the sports mode.
You should do that while on the way to our ECT showroom, where we're going to see the battery and the charger and all these things as well.
You told me 0 to 100 in 8.5 seconds.
You're right.
So I'm going to try that.
Please test it. How do you like the rotary knob?
It's really nice. I'm getting nostalgic right now. Hello MG.
Hi, how can I help?
Open the sunroof. Now I'm with Girish, who's the COO of Jubilant Motors. They are the dealers for MG in Namma Bengaluru. The car is just amazing. I loved it.
Glad you liked it.
Yes.
It's one of a kind of car, because it's the first electric car in India. So you've been driving for some time now on this car?
Yeah, I drove for almost 100 minutes, and you've been driving it for 100 days. So tell me what do you like in this car?
Well, I think you judge it for yourself. You've driven the car for the last whatever 100 minutes, but the moment you get in the car and stamp on the accelerator,
oh, it's amazing.
It just goes, So I think that is one of the key features of this car, because being an electric vehicle doesn't have an engine, and people really need to know what sort of response this car gives.
Right.
So that's something which is very, very phenomenal about there.
It's better than a normal car because in this I think you come with direct transmission. Absolutely. And I haven't seen in the normal automatic cars,
right.
you know, going so fast and the pickup is so good in the electric and automatic.
So it's because it's an electric vehicle, as I said, it doesn't have an engine, so definitely you tend to have more torque on the car.
Right.
But in India, this is the first pure electric vehicle, so people have not really understood what an electric car is, so they really would find the difference in this car.
Right.
The iSmart technology, what really happens is the entire car is controlled by an application.
Right.
You know, you have an app on the phone, and that controls the entire car. So what you usually have a remote control to open your car, which is within 60 meters radius. But in this car, you sit in the US, you sit in the Singapore, you switch on, you can sit on the car.
Okay.
You can open the AC, you can open the sunroof. So all this happens because it is connected to the car.
So if you use the key, you can open it from anywhere.
Anywhere in the world. You can open it from anywhere.
Scale डाल के नहीं खोलना पड़ेगा.
Scale डाल के नहीं खोलना पड़ेगा. So that's some probably on the other side. You know, Indians are used to the scale thing. Here you don't really have to do so.
Okay.
That is a very, very unique feature about this car, and all the MGs today come with the iSmart feature.
Right.
Not only the EV. Another thing is the most important thing is the carbon footprint.
Right.
You know, going forward, the world is looking at a very green kind of. All of us know now you have the corona, you have everything happening in this world right now. You know, so it's really time to give back. And India probably going to be the third or the fourth largest car manufacturer. I think it is going to play a huge role, and we are the first learners comers in India for this. So I think it's going to be a good thing. And reducing carbon footprint is one of the key areas of MG in India and across the globe. So
just repeat after me. That is inhale and exhale. That's all we need, and the car is giving us all that.
Yeah, the car is giving you all that, and at a very, very, very reliable price, very, very economical price. You want to really buy an EV today from anywhere else, it's going to cost you a bomb. But this is a very economical package you have over here with almost all the features. So I think it's a good buy.
I haven't heard, felt or seen like this before. Had an amazing time. We need to bring change in the world, but world is too big for us to change. And that is why if all of us can do small change in our lives, yes, we can change the world and experience the change with MG ZS EV, which is India's first pure electric internet SUV. And it's just amazing. Hashtag change what you can.